Hey guys, welcome to Tech Lovers. So in this video, I'll show you how to install XCODE in your Mac. So the first thing you need to do is to open your App Store, and once your App Store opens, you can search XCODE or you can go on develop option. There you will find it at the top. Click on XCODE and then click on download. Here your downloading starts. It will take approximately 30 minutes, depends on the speed of your network. Your Xcode is downloaded. Just click on open. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Xcode is started and here you can see this type of window. Now you can create any kind of application you want to create out of here.